Yeah, hi, good morning everyone. This is Rajesh Palve from the technical desk. I just take you through the Nifty and USD technical view for the day. In the last trading session, Nifty opened on a negative note and remained in the selling pressure throughout the session. And we have seen that Nifty lost around 52 points compared to the previous trading session and closed at 9616 level. So now Nifty is approaching towards its near-term support area of 9600 and 9580, which is very important for this near-term trend. And if Nifty manages to hold again this level, then some sort of pullback action again we can witness from these levels. So for near-term trader, 9600 and 9580 is the immediate and important support area for this corrective action. And we expect that looking at the short-term charts and short-term chart pattern, that Nifty will get some buying action around this support area. As the structure is positive on the near-term chart as well as on the short-term chart, so our preferred strategy would be whenever you see any kind of dip near to support area is buying opportunity in the market. Nifty is continuously forming higher top, higher bottom formation on the daily chart as well as on the weekly chart. So which is suggesting that there is a sustained uptrend in the market and market to remain in the bullish territory and behave in the bullish manner in the near term as well as on the short term basis. If you look at the levels, on the higher side, Nifty is continuously facing resistance around 9680, 9700 levels since last 4-5 trading session, which is again very important resistance area for near term as well as for the short term trend. If Nifty manages to give the breakout of this level 9700 level, then it will resume its uptrend, and on the higher side 9780, 9850 level can be witnessed in the short term basis. However, on the lower side, as we have mentioned, 9600, 9580 is the important support area for near-term trade. So if any breakdown happens below 9580 level, then some more profit booking we can see in the market, and 9550, 9500 level can be seen in the near-term basis. We expect that Nifty will furthermore consolidate in the range of 9550 to 9700 for few more trading sessions. And once we get the breakout of on the higher side or on the breakdown on the lower side, then we'll see the clear direction from here onwards. If you look at the moving averages, Nifty is continuously holding all its important moving average, which is also supporting the bullishness ahead. But if you look at the indicators for near-term chart, which has turned negative on the overbought territory, so it suggests that some sort of profit booking or some sort of selling pressure we may witness on the higher side. So till the Nifty not crosses or give the decisive breakout of 9700, we will see the consolidation action to remain continue for few more trading sessions. For the day, 9620 is the important level to watch for. If Nifty manages to cross and trades above this level, then on the higher side we may see the level of 9645, 9670 during the day. If Nifty breaks below 9620 level, then it can go down for level of 9595 and 9570 for the intraday basis. Moving to the stocks front, some positive buy stocks for the day are Piramal Enterprises, Supreme Industry, PFC, GMDC, Delta Corp and Infosys. Negative buy stocks for the day are Canara Bank, Bank of India, Just Dial, JKI and Tata Motor. Now moving to the USD view, in the last trading session we have seen some sort of buying interest in the USD and gained around 0.28% compared to the previous trading session. It closed at 64.58 level. So looking at the near-term chart, some sort of buying action we have seen around the support area of 64.30 level. So we see furthermore up move to continue in the USD, but USD will face the resistance at around 64.75, 64.85, which is likely to act as a steep resistance for this pullback action. Until the USD not gives the decisive breakout above 64.85 level, it will face the selling pressure around these level. And for a short-term trader, our preferred strategy would be you can remain short or you can go short around 64.75 level with stop loss of 64.85. And again, we are expecting that some selling pressure we may see in the USD as the short-term structure is negative on the USD, and lower side you can again retest the level of 64.40, 64.30. On the short to medium term chart, if USD breaks below 64.30 level, then it will continue its down move, and on the lower side 64.10, 64 level can be seen in the near term to short term basis. Thank you.